This simple trick reset my whole nervous system. I was stressed out, blood pressure was sky high, and I'd been unschooling and losing it with the kids. And then, in less than a minute, my blood pressure normalized and I suddenly felt calmer and more relaxed. And all I did was this weird eye move. So in this video, I'm going to show you the brain science behind the most powerful eye exercise you can do that lowered my blood pressure 30 points and how to do it so that you can unschool with more patience and ease when nothing else works. Let me start by telling you what happened. It was the most stressful period of my life. We just moved house, everything was chaos, our movers broke and lost things, and all our support vanished when my mum was bedridden for months. My partner was under huge pressure at work and we were stuck in a nightmare house negotiation that had been going on for months. I checked my blood pressure, 140 over 110, not good. I tried my usual breathing exercises and they helped, but not for long. So I decided to try something I teach my clients that's less conventional for stress, called saccades, just jumping my eyes up and down without moving my head. I immediately felt better, so I checked my blood pressure again and it had dropped 30 points to 110 over 85, normal. More importantly, I felt calmer, less stressed, and more able to handle everything in front of me. Now, I don't expect such a dramatic shift every time, but I do notice it consistently helps me reset when stress really kicks in. Sometimes the simplest tools are the most powerful, especially when nothing else seems to work. Let me show you how to do them, and then I'll explain why such a simple movement actually works. Here's how you can do it. Sit or stand comfortably, thumbs out in front of you, and just jump your eyes up and down from one thumbnail to the other, keeping your head still, about 15 to 20 times, making sure that you focus after each jump. Then stop and take a moment to notice how you feel. That's it. Takes less than a minute. You can also do them horizontally and on each of the diagonals. Now, while you're jumping your eyes, jump them down to the thumbs up button, and if you want more brain-based ways to increase your capacity, you might want to subscribe too. Now, enough of that. How on earth can jumping your eyes around lower stress? Let me explain. Saccades fire up a part of your brain called your prefrontal cortex. It's like the brakes on your car. And just like your brakes slow you down, your prefrontal cortex turns down your stress response, sending safety signals to deeper parts of your brain that control your heart and your blood pressure. So when you do saccades, you're not just moving your eyes, you're shifting your whole system from fight or flight back towards calm and control. Sometimes the key isn't trying harder, it's knowing which part of your brain to activate, so you naturally shift yourself from stress to calm. Just a few seconds of saccades can help you hit the brakes on stress and get back to calm even in the middle of chaos. But saccades won't be enough if you're constantly worried if unschooling will work. So watch this video next, where I'll show you the secret to how unschoolers really learn so you can stop worrying and help your child thrive.